Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. And today we're doing a review of one of the newer covers by Roll & Lock. It's called the Roll & Lock M Series XT. And we did it on the new Toyota Tacoma. Come over here, let's take a look. And these Toyota Tacomas are so darn popular. It is such a great truck for off-road. If you look at this truck here, it's got a lift on it already. It's a TRD. And it's a great looking color as well. Now, this XT cover, the reason I think this is a perfect match for this truck is because it does have the T slots. So if he wants to add racks to this, he can. So if he wants to put a, let's say you want to put a rack, a high rack, he can put a kayak on there. He can put a tent on there. He can put a low rack. You have a lot of options. Once you get a T slot, you can put tie downs in here. All that stuff is now available for you. Another great feature about the Roll & Lock is look how small the canister is. I mean, this is a 5-foot bed, so it's not a particularly large bed, but man, look how much space is underneath here. A lot of times you get a rolling cover and you do lose a little space. The Roll & Lock has one of the smallest canisters of the bunch. And I think that's a great feature because if you want to put stuff in here, you have that space. It also is one of the only covers that has a cover protecting the canister. That's right, this is bolted on. There's about 1 inch between this and the canister. Why is that good? Well, let's say if you have something here and you're driving and someone cuts you off and this stuff slides forward and smacks into this, well, you can replace this piece. The canister which holds the cover is protected. So that's a really good feature. Now on the Toyota Tacomas, there's a couple of differences between that and a regular truck. For example, if you look here, this has a cargo management system that comes standard with the Tacomas. This Roll & Lock attaches to that. Why is that good? Well, it just holds it better. I mean, it's gonna, this way, especially if you're putting stuff on here, it's gonna do a better job of securing whatever you put on here because this is attached to that. Another feature, if you look over here, and it's one you might not notice, but on the Toyota Tacomas, there's a kind of a large gap between this and the centerpiece. Well, Roll & Lock supplies another piece that goes right here. And basically what it does, it covers that gap up and does a better job of keeping the water out. Now, speaking of water, a lot of times people has this opinion that these covers are waterproof. No cover, listen to me real closely, no cover is waterproof. They're water resistant. That means you could expect a small amount of water. Waterproof is referring to submarines and stuff like that, and these are not that. So, now another nice feature on this is the material they put on top here. This is a marine grade vinyl. Now, why is that better? Well, marine grade has a UV protection. So like for example, we're in Florida and the sun bakes the pants off these things, and having UV protection is very, very important. Some of these covers, they don't have that UV vinyl and they just fall apart and crack. This one, you're not gonna have that problem with. It's just gonna last longer. It also has a nice 3-year manufacturer warranty on this, which is really good. Another nice feature on this is this will stop along the track here. You'll hear it every 6 inches. You can have it partially open. So if you don't want to have it all the way open, all the way closed, you have that option here. And again, on these models, they're no longer bolting into the tailgate, which I find more convenient. They changed the seal along here. It's a lot better seal. And the reason I like is if it's raining, you don't have to open the cover to open your tailgate. You can just open up this, throw your groceries in there or whatever you're putting in there and close it back up and not worry about undoing the cover. All in all, it's a very smart design. It basically checks off a lot of boxes. It doesn't eat up a lot of space. It's very easy to use, and you can build off of it. Like I said, you can do the, if you look at my truck over there, I don't know if Dave just kind of see all this stuff on, I have the same cover. I have an XT, and as you can see, I got all kinds of stuff. I got the safari basket on there. I got the low racks. I have the high racks because I do a lot of camping. I do a lot of stuff, and a lot of times people, when they buy these TRDs 4x4s, they go off-roading, they do overlanding. He can build off this cover, and it's just a great look. It works good, and I tell you, I really like his Tacoma. I like that color. You don't see a lot of that color, by the way. Now, you say, Chris, you know what? I'm sold. How do I get it? What do we need to do? Well, it's really, really easy. You can call us, which in the beginning of the video, you saw our phone number on the window. Plus, I put the phone number to the store in the bottom of this video. I put the address to the store, so if you want to come see us, we have a beautiful showroom. Or if you're out of state and you're unfortunately unable to come here, you can go to our website and shop there. Now, my recommendation is always call us because it's good to talk to us in person because we'll walk you through all this stuff. And another nice thing about buying from us, you get us. That's right. If you buy this cover and you're having problems with the installation or you have questions on, we will help you. Now, if you're unable to buy from us for whatever reason, you're unable to get our help. So keep that in mind. We're here to always help our customers, but if you decide to be someone else's customer, unfortunately, they'll have to help you out, and they probably don't have 20 years of experience of doing this, so keep that in mind. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida, doing a review on the Roll Lock M Series XT on a new Toyota Tacoma 4x4. Thank you.